Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6, and our today's topic is the discussion of assignment number 2, and it's your 10th week assignment. So let's try to see its subject matter and how to solve it. Next students, class 6 assignment number 2, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. Chapter and title of the chapter. Chapter 2, Bangladesh and World Civilization. Lesson number and topics. Lesson 1, then lesson 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will tell you that you have to read the whole chapter 2. Then assignment or assigned task. Make a list of some of the ancient civilizations of Bangladesh by name, location, patterns, commercial importance and cultural features, and create a report by exploring the similarities and dissimilarities of the culture of present Bengal with that of ancient Bengal. That means, dear students, you can see here you have to do two tasks. One is you have to show the civilization of ancient Bangladesh by its name, location, pattern, commercial importance and cultural features. And number 2 is you have to make a report. Okay? Then instruction, that means how you will solve it. You will have to show this kind of chart, name of the civilization, then location of the civilization, received patterns, commercial importance, cultural features. Dear students, imagine that in this portion you will write about Wari Boteshwar. Then you will write Wari Boteshwar here. Then location of the civilization, that means where this civilization developed. Then received pattern, that means which things were available there on that time. Then commercial importance, that means how much importance it had on that time regarding commerce. Okay. Then cultural features. What was its cultural features? It's only Wari Boteshwar. Then you will show another all the civilizations from your book you will get and will solve by my instruction. Okay. And imagine that if it is very hard for you to write it within one page, then you may use 2 or 3 pages. But one thing, dear students, be careful. You will complete it. After writing one point, you will fulfill the table. But before writing, don't fulfill the table. That means, imagine that this is a table. So if you start writing, then you will write it. After writing, when the writing is finished, then fulfill the table. You will do it because it will help you to cover the whole table within a good form. But if you complete the table before writing, then imagine that you have completed the table like this, but you are writing. But imagine that now your writing is not finished. Then what will you do? You will erase this, then do it again. It's very much boring, and it will kill your valuable time. Okay, so in this how you will complete it. And before completing it, first of all, come to the subject. What would be the subject? Students, I told you that you have to do 2 tasks. Number 1 is ancient civilization of Bangladesh. Okay, so the subject would be the ancient civilization of Bangladesh. So, and the second subject would be the similarities and dissimilarities of the culture of present Bengal with that of ancient Bengal. So, in the subject, you will write that the ancient civilization of Bangladesh and the similarities and dissimilarities of the culture of present Bengal with that of ancient Bengal. Dear students, now listen. I told you only about subject, but although it's a report, so you have to write all these portions. That means how a report usually need to complete. So how a report need to complete? First of all, you will have to give the date like this form. Okay. First of all, date, then month, then use a comma, then year. Then to whom you are completing the or you are submitting the assignment. That means it normally happens to your head teacher's name, then your school's name, then its school's location. Then you will give the subject. Then, although I told you that it will have to be completed by the form of a report. So, after giving subject, you will write sir. So, after writing sir, you have to write that with most respectfully, I am presenting the report titled, what would be titled? The subject, what I told. And after writing titled, you will write the subject's name as per your order, memorandum nom, NIEVS, then you will write that date's name and published on when this, you will give any date, published date, and then you will start writing it. Okay? And after writing all this, you will show the table of the instruction here. You will write that thing here. After completing it, you will have to show the similarities and dissimilarities of the ancient and present culture of Bengal. Students, I told you that after writing sir, you will write what I told before few seconds, and after writing that, you will show the instructions here. That means you will show the civilization's name, location, pattern, cultural importance, commercial importance, everything. That means you will have to do a lot of tables, and after writing all this, you will have to show the similarities and dissimilarities of the culture of ancient and present Bengal. So, how you will write that? First of all, you will have to show the religion of ancient Bengal and present Bengal. Then you may show the economic condition of present and ancient Bengal, then agriculture, then culture, then language of ancient and present Bengal. Students, after writing all this, at last, you will have to write date first, then you will write your name. Your name means not your name, it would be who has completed the report, his or her name, then to whom the report would be submitted, that means teacher's name, then teacher's designation. Dear students, one important thing, at the place of teacher's name, you will write my name and Sabrina Jahan Bhuya. I will request every one of you to, if you write our phone number, then you will use this mine phone number and this phone number, not the phone number which is provided at your class or at your group. You will provide this phone number, please. Okay? And after writing this teacher's name, its designation, your assignment would be fulfilled. Dear students, this assignment is quite complicated, but if you follow the lecture, then it would be very much easier to you. So, do it with great care. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.